Time to head out. Good morning and welcome back to another day. We are finally in Miami, the land of beaches or whatsoever. But we are not starting our road trip, our journey, our day today from those beaches. In fact, we came over here to Everglades Safari Park to enjoy some crocodiles, because Miami is also known for the crocodiles slash alligators slash whatever you want to call, but slash crocodiles and alligators. That's where we'll see, and we are here at the Everglades Safari Park. Everglades is all swampy, and this safari park that we came over here to visit has a boat ride that will take us deep down into the swamp so that we can enjoy and see the actual crocodiles. Also, they'll feed them, some crocodile show, things like that. But overall, it'll be so much fun on that boat ride. So first thing first, let's go and grab the ticket for the boat ride. We just paid $40 for two people for almost 40 minutes of a ride. That's the boat that we are going to take, and they will be taking us towards the swamps to enjoy and see some live crocodiles like in their natural habitat, along with some gator feeding and a little bit tour of the area. So hopefully those $80 will be worth it for two people. We'll find that out soon. We're finally in and our boat ride is about to start, and this is our boat right on the swamps, Everglades Safari boat. It's going to be lots of fun.
How's everybody doing today? Good? Good. A little bit better. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Louis. I'm gonna be your boat captain today. Guys, really quick, if you have anything that may fly away, such as hats, bags, skinny girlfriends, just hold on to them very tight, okay? Anything goes back there, I'm gonna turn it all into confetti because of the propellers. Anything falls in the water, say bye-bye to it. It will belong to my friends, the alligators. One last question. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's get out of here.
Are you skinny? Should I be worried about you?
Nah, ain't no worries here.
Found a big hole on top of the nest, which means that an animal, probably a raccoon or a snake or any other type of animal, got to the nest, you know, and pretty much ate all the eggs. But it's gonna be behind the trees on the left side, so keep your eyes open to the left. Okay, we're coming up to it.
And that concludes our boat ride. Unfortunately, we were not able to see any alligator, but no worries. We are going towards the alligator farm to see some cool alligators and maybe take a picture with them. Look at those alligators. They are ready to eat something.
Not care.
And that concludes our Everglades Safari Park tour. It was good though. We were not able to see any wild crocodiles, but we did saw 3 in the captivity. Overall, it was fun, worth it. Not that bad. We paid only $40 per person. But now we are hungry, so let's get out from this place, go grab some food, and explore Miami. Time to head out. After all day long, we are finally at the Miami beach in Miami, and I am trying to find the ocean drive over here, the drive that you see in all of the movies. Any movies that show Miami, they have to be shot on the ocean drive, because that's the most beautiful drive. On one side are all the restaurants, and on the other side is the beach and walk and cycling and all the sports, whatever you can think of. But I don't know where to get on that ocean drive, so trying to find that out in all these up and down, right and left streets, and hopefully we can find the ocean drive and have a smooth ride and be part of the Hollywood. 2, I think, and just like that, we found our Ocean Beach Drive of Miami. We finally found the Ocean Beach Drive and we parked our car in a parking lot and going all the way down to explore the area on the foot and maybe eat some sweet, because I've heard there are a couple of like sweet shops over here and I am craving something sweet. This place is so busy and so hopping. Lots of crowd, everyone eating over here, and guess what I found over here? They have a beach gym over here. I haven't seen this beach gym anywhere else other than this over here in Miami Beach, and this is the first one I'm seeing over here. What a bad luck. We came to the Ocean Beach Drive and guess what? The memory card ran out. So I guess a little bit of this part of the vlogging, the rest of the video will have to be done through the phone, and I hope it won't come out that bad. By the way, I'm walking on the sand and I hope this sand does not go in my shoes. Otherwise that'll be bad. The ocean is so calm and beautiful over here, but it's getting late. It's almost like 7:30, so don't feel like jumping in the water or getting my feet wet. Still wearing my shoes, so I guess it's time to go back on the Ocean Beach Drive and enjoy some more like crowd. There are all sorts of shops over here, from hotels to CVS, to Walmart, to drinks, to eatings, whatever you can think of is over here. It's an amazing drive and amazing vibe. I'm loving it. My energy is getting pretty low and so is her energy, and so is the energy of my phone. So let's go grab something sweet, some drink or some ice cream, and then we'll head out, charge our phones, and especially go grab another memory card. We finally found this one juice shop at the Ocean Drive called Ocean Stand, and we only placed an order for juices and my juice came. It's a little bit big, so let me enjoy my juice. Yep, juice, and I'll see you out of the juice. And that was a fun night. Now I'm here at Walmart. As you can see from far away, the Walmart is right there. The car is being charged. So let me go inside the Walmart and grab the memory cards which I need. And tomorrow I'll see you in the next video when I will be going towards Key West. That means the next vlog is going to be about the Key West. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you will enjoy the next video. So why don't you guys take your time to subscribe the video, and I'll see you in the next. Until then, peace.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.